Paul Wagner, coming to you live from Mrs. Dial's science class at Edison Middle School, and today we're talking about radio. Radio may seem complex, but in reality it is very simple technology. Here's how it works. It all starts with the microphone. The microphone turns the voice of the speaker into electrical charges that match the speaker's voice. The voice is then broadcast from a radio station, where a device known as an oscillator produces an alternating current. It flows in one direction, then starts to flow in the opposite direction, back and forth, over and over. When the electrical charges from the microphone mix with the charges of the oscillator, it creates a new type of current. This form of current has a very high frequency. The frequency of this current is so high that it begins to give off radio waves. These radio waves are then picked up by a long piece of wire, like an antenna. A weak version of the transmission is picked up by the radio through this antenna. The electric current is then modified and goes into a speaker, which replicates the person's voice. Not only do radio waves carry sound, but they also carry heat. Radio waves are made up of radiation, a form of heat transfer. Radio frequency heating is a process of heating material with high-frequency radio waves. Two methods of radio frequency heating have currently been developed: induction heating and dielectric heating. In induction heating, which works well with good electric conductors, a water-cooled coil is wrapped around the object chosen to be heated. Alternating current is then set through the coil, which heats the object. This is used extensively in metalworking. The second form of radio frequency heating is dielectric heating, which is used to heat poor conductors such as rubber. Here, items are placed in a high-frequency electromagnetic field. The material is heated by electric losses that occur when the material is placed between two metal plates called electrodes. The electrodes are connected to a radio frequency oscillator. Dielectric heating is used to dry lumber, heat glues, preheat and mold plastics and glass, and to cook food in microwave ovens. Radio frequency heating is very important in modern society.